small girl has come with impacted wax in the ear, and we are cleaning it microscopically. You can see that the child has been mummified because we don't want her to move. Very cooperative child. Right. So you see the child is very cooperative and we have successfully cleaned the ear. Now we will be doing the other ear also. You see, the child has cooperated so well in the cleaning of her ears. We asked him to put ear drops for 5 days and then come so that the wax is softened. Then close the door. Tomorrow. There is smile on it. Chiriki.